guys, welcome back to my channel. So before I begin, I do want to mention that I co-washed my hair with the Nicole Guerrero conditioner in Midnight Kisses, and it was bomb, okay? I've been struggling with trying to find a conditioner that would work for my highlights, and this definitely was it. The first product to start is this Chi Total Protectant Lotion or Protect Lotion. I like to use it prior to blow drying my hair because not only does it protect my hair from thermal styling, it also creates a barrier to stop color from fading. As you can see, I have blonde highlights now, and I don't want them to fade into like an ugly orange color, because then that wouldn't be good, right? So I do whatever I can to maintain the color. If you want an in-depth video of how I care for my blonde hair and the products I use, make sure you leave a comment down below. Also, this is not only a heat protectant, it also provides moisture, so it's moisturizing and shine enhancing. I like to use the blow dryer to blow dry my hair in sections just to kind of get it semi-straight or as straight as possible. That way I can use less heat from the flat iron when I get to that part. So I try to do majority of the work with the blow dryer. And I'm just using a brush to comb through my hair as I'm blow drying it. That way it can, straighten out the hair follicles a little better. Also, let me do mention that my blow dryer setting, I have it on cool, medium, high. I don't like to use it on a warm setting because the less heat, the better for me. Now, before I put actual heat to my hair, I like to add an additional heat protectant. This is the Chi Straight Guard, and this Straight Guard protects against heat damage, of course, but it also eliminates frizz and creates shine. And everybody should know by now that I love me a glow, so not only on my face, but my hair as well. I love the titanium flat iron in comparison to the ceramic one, so my choice is always this one. I want to get the skinnier one, but this still gets the job done for now. I like to section my hair the same way I blow dry it, and this day I could not find my rat tail comb. So you will see me going back and forth between this one meant for straightening that I clearly don't know how to use, and the hard brush. This straightener does have the digital buttons on the side to control the temperature, which I have set to 350 degrees, just in case any of you guys were wondering. So this is the macadamia healing oil treatment, and this is the final step for me when straightening my hair. I love this oil so much, you guys, you just don't even know. It's a therapeutic oil essential to dry damaged hair and provides UV protection from photo and sun damage. This is the end result. Hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video or vlog, whichever one comes first. Bye, guys.